everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you a shortcut way to make waffles from a just add water pancake mix. I'll also give you a couple of ingredients that you can add to the pancake mix to make the waffles taste even better. You can find the full recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version on my website, MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure you are subscribed and have turned on notifications so you won't miss a new recipe. Now let's get started. 1.5 cups of pancake mix. You can use any brand that just requires you to add water, like Krusteaz. 2/3 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, use a neutral tasting oil like vegetable or canola oil, and 1 egg that has been beaten slightly. If you want to add something extra to the waffle batter, here are the ingredients I like to use. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of malted milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Begin by adding the pancake mix, water, the beaten egg, and oil to a mixing bowl and whisk it together. If desired, you can now add any optional ingredients like vanilla extract, malted milk, and cinnamon. Whisk together the ingredients to make waffle batter. Preheat your waffle iron and brush it with oil to keep the waffles from sticking. Next, add the batter to the hot waffle iron. I used a cookie scoop to add 1/4 cup of batter from my mini dash waffle iron. I like this waffle iron because it makes waffles the size of Eggo waffles and they fit perfectly into the toaster if they need to be reheated the next day. When the waffle iron indicates that it is done, remove the waffle and serve topped with butter and syrup. If you need to keep the waffles warm, place them in an oven set at 200 degrees until you are ready to serve them. I hope you enjoy this shortcut waffle recipe that uses a pancake mix. Remember that the full recipe will be down in the description below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more recipes. See you next time!